What if I told you that by leveraging just 3 AI tools, you could boost your photography income by over 20% this year? Well, it's true. Hi, I'm from Smart Tech Guide, and today we're diving into the top 3 AI-powered solutions that no photographer can afford to miss in 2026. First up is Auto Enhance. AI, a tool so powerful, it's hard to believe it's free. With just one click, Auto Enhance uses advanced machine learning models trained on millions of professional photos to automatically enhance your images with stunningly realistic results. Exposure, color balance, sharpness, noise reduction, it tackles them all flawlessly. The secret is in their proprietary AI engine, which can actually understand the content and context of each photo, rather than blindly applying filters. This means whether you shoot street photography, portraits, commercial work, or fine art, Auto Enhance can intelligently optimize your images while preserving your creative vision. Takeaway: for a quick yet impactful boost to your image quality with zero cost, Auto Enhance. AI is the tool to beat. Next, let's talk about how you can put AI to work in streamlining your photography workflow. Enter Phlox, an end-to-end photo management platform powered by artificial intelligence. Phlox uses AI not just for editing, but also to automatically keyword tag, categorize, and organize your photos based on visual content, location data, even the people detected in each frame. This means you can instantly find any photo across your entire library. In seconds, no more digging through folders. Here's the rewritten text. Phlox, your AI-powered photo workflow. Phlox isn't just an app, it's a complete overhaul of how you manage and edit your photos. Plus, with smart collections that auto-update as you add new images, Phlox ensures you always have your most important galleries at your fingertips. But the real magic is in Phlox's AI-driven workflow suggestions. By analyzing how you work and what tools you use most, it can prompt you with next steps, recommend related photos to edit together, even predict which shots you'll likely want to export or share next. The result? A massive boost in productivity, so you can accomplish more in less time. Takeaway: for an AI-powered workflow that keeps your photos organized and suggests smart next steps, Phlox is the clear winner. The new Siri AI camera features. Finally, let's look at how the new Siri AI camera features announced at WWDC can change how you interact with your iPhone photos. With iOS 27, iPad OS 27, Mac OS 27, and Vision OS 27, Apple has baked intelligence into every part of the photo experience. This starts from the moment you capture a shot, with Siri AI suggesting optimal settings based on what it detects in the frame. Want portrait mode? Siri can automatically detect faces and recommend switching to that mode. Shooting landscapes? It'll prompt you to enable ultra-wide or HDR if appropriate. But where it gets really interesting is after the fact, when browsing your shots. With just a few taps, you can have Siri AI analyze any photo or video and tell you what's in the frame, from objects to scenes to activities. Want to quickly find all photos with your dog? Just ask Siri. Need to pull together snaps for a slideshow of your daughter's soccer season? Here's how I might rewrite that text for TTS. A voice command does it in seconds, blazing fast. Plus, smart sharing suggestions based on detected faces means no more guesswork. Just tap share with the right people every time. The result? Almost clairvoyant. You focus on moments. Siri handles organizing and finding memories, all powered by Apple's latest AI. Takeaway: for iPhone photographers, new Siri camera features are a game changer. Get AI superpowers without switching devices or software. So there you have it, 3 essential AI tools for photographers in 2023. Auto Enhance, AI One-Click Perfection 2, Phlox Intelligent Workflow Automation 3, Siri's Smart Photography Features. These boost productivity and income. Check the video description for how to implement them. If helpful, thumbs up and share with fellow photographers. Keep shooting smart.